This bird secretly peeks from behind the bushes. A spy? Not really, but it sure looks like one. Meet the woodcock. Its eyes are positioned way at the back compared to other birds. The result? It can see behind and above without turning its head. Crazy, right? The woodcock has a 360-degree radar with such super wide vision. It can watch for enemies from all directions, like having a built-in security system. No wonder it's rarely caught on camera. The woodcock isn't a secret agent, but if nature had spies, this bird would definitely be a top candidate. There are still many other unique animals like this. Follow for more cool videos. Thank you.